Hello and welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. I'm Tom and today is Wednesday. It's the 24th of November, 2021. I'd like to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving tomorrow. We do have the market closed tomorrow, so let's take and enjoy some time with our friends, our family, and football. And just the market will take a breather, and we'll be back in the market Friday. And the market does close an hour early on Friday. We do expect there to be light volume, as most of the senior traders on Wall Street will have the day off. The books will be handed over to the junior traders, and then we'll finish the week. So, good morning, welcome. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning here in Arizona, and as I said, today is the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. So, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I just want to start off by letting you know that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is definitely my opinion and the collective opinion of the traders and investors in the TMP group. But if you do like what you hear today, please give us a big thumbs up. If you would like to continue to see more from this channel, hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. The TMP group is a group of traders and investors that are committed to long-term growth in our portfolios. We're looking to build generational wealth, and I like to come on here once or twice a day, show you what we're doing daily, moves that we're making. We are very active investors, and kind of give you an idea and a look into what the group is doing. So, with no further ado, I want to jump out and just kind of give you my experience this morning. I'm sure it's the same as yours. Pre-market, all portfolios across the board for us were down heavy, and that did represent buying opportunity today or an add-on positions. This week we did cover 3 or 4 different stocks that I want to get into today, and just kind of give you an idea of where they're at and where they're going, and then let you know what additions we made today. So, first thing this morning, woke up and saw that the markets were down. There is some risk headlines out there today that we need to pay attention to, but for the most part, we believe that the market will be flat with a slight uptrend. So we're looking to go up and to the right as we are every day. We are optimistic that our long-term positions will continue to hold out. A couple of stocks that I want to focus on today. One that I did get into and did a video on about a week ago, which was Gores Guggenheim, GGPI. And GGPI is the SPAC that is teamed up with the EV company Polestar. Polestar already has 2 vehicles out, the Polestar 1, the Polestar 2. They're in production, they're in deliveries, and Gores Guggenheim, Alec Gores, the billionaire, and the Guggenheim Group are doing what's called a reverse merger with their SPAC, as Polestar is already in business. Polestar is up about 5% today. Polestar trading at 14.10 at the time of this video. So we like to continue to add into Gores Guggenheim, GGPI. And quite frankly, I think that anything under $15 is a strong buy on this. We can buy it all the way up to the $20 level. Pay attention to when the actual merger does happen, and then decide whether we want to continue to add into our buckets there, or if we want to take some profits. Typically, the announcement of the merger will generate or escalate the stock price to go up. And then once the merger is complete, we do see some selling off, typically in SPACs. So I would pay attention to that for sure. And we'll keep you updated on Gores Guggenheim. But it's definitely one that we highlighted last week. That's had a nice run and is running nicely today. Okay, nvidia. nvidia, again, woke up this morning. nvidia was down. It was trading about $310. We got into nvidia right around $310. I personally was able to buy a couple of options, some calls. I bought December 23rd, 315s. They're printing nicely right now. nvidia 315 calls are currently up $560 right now. As nvidia looks to hit the 320 point. It did hit it. It found resistance, and looks like it's headed back down a little bit, but we are strong on nvidia and long on nvidia. Continue to be long on nvidia. Ticker symbol NVDA. Remember, nvidia is a major player, in our opinion, on the metaverse. Jensen Huang, the CEO, he's second to none when it comes to artificial intelligence. And if you didn't catch the nvidia video, go back and watch the short clip that he did with Kramer. All right. Yesterday, I brought another stock to the table that a lot of people may not be familiar with. Trades under the ticker symbol MTTR, Matterport. At the time of the video yesterday, Matterport, I believe, was trading right around $25.90. I did announce that we were adding on to our position in Matterport across the board, the head TMP account, and the majority of the investors here. Matterport at time of this video right now is trading at $28.18. We see a ton of upside with Matterport, as Matterport is a working partner with Facebook or with Meta. And Matterport does the 3D imaging, and they are second to none in their 3D imaging technology. So we love Matterport. We're sticking with Matterport, and it's nice to see a nice bump in Matterport when we called it out at $25.90, and it's $28.18 right now. Yesterday afternoon, I was at home. I was in my backyard in front of my pool. It was about 3 o'clock, and I did a short video on Crow Coin, CRO, the cryptocurrency Crow Coin. We did have a small meeting yesterday after market close, and collectively decided that we wanted to increase our stake in Crow Coin, CRO. At the time, Crow was right around 89 cents. Our initial buy into Crow was at 57 cents, so it already had great upside. And my recommendation to the group was that we hold off and we wait and see if we can get a dip on Crow back under 80, so at 79 cents, 80 cents, 78. And unfortunately, that was a bad call or the wrong call on my part, because overnight Crow went up and is now trading at 95 cents. I do believe that this is a hot coin. There is a lot of volatility in the Crow coin. I am going to personally wait until Crow goes down into the low 80s, and if I can catch it below 80. But I also said that come Friday, regardless of what the price of Crow was, I will dollar cost average into CRO. So am I going to wait until Friday? I have to wait until Friday, because I'm not, and hopefully I can catch it under 80 cents. But if it goes up to $1, it goes up to 110, regardless of where it goes, I will stick with my word, and we will dollar cost average into CRO Crow Coin. All right, the very last stock that I want to talk about today is our good friend NIO. NIO is the Chinese EV automaker that is set apart two ways. Number one, with his battery swapping stations. Instead of plugging the cars in, you simply pull up to a battery swapping station. They swap the depleted battery for a new battery, and you're on your way. It takes about 5 minutes. NIO is the leader as far as overall volume in the China market. It does have 3 competitors, 2 which are Chinese. That would be XPeng, trades under XPEV. We have small positions in XPeng. And then Li Auto trades under ticker symbol LI. They've been running nicely, and NIO hasn't. I keep saying NIO's late to the party, but I believe NIO will make it to the party. We look forward to December 1st or December 2nd when NIO reports its deliveries, because we know that its deliveries should be much higher than they were in October. October, it was very low due to some production constraints, and the orders that NIO received continued to grow in October. They just weren't able to fulfill them. So the demand is there, the supply wasn't. If you're going to have a supply-demand problem, it's better to have the problem where you have a higher demand and you can't meet the supply. We believe NIO will catch up. NIO currently at the time of this video is trading at $42.24. So it is up a little bit today, and the trend line looks like it is going up. I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you're having a fantastic morning, the day before Thanksgiving. If you're like me, holidays are great. However, I am a little remiss when I am unable to access the market on days off, which are holidays and weekends. We do have the cryptocurrency market, which runs 24/7. I have a link below. Check it out. It's a link to Coinbase. Coinbase is giving away free Bitcoin just for doing an ID and email verification, so they'll fund your account. I also have 2 other links to some online platforms, mobile app platforms in the form of Webull and Robinhood. Both are giving away free stock when you sign up and you deposit. So check them out. The parent account for TMP Group and my personal account is held in TD Ameritrade, and I'll leave it at that. Invest in yourself, invest in your future. The best bet you can make is going to be a bet on yourself. So why not make the right bet and invest in your future? Create generational wealth for you, for your family, your posterity. We're blessed with so much, and we want to be able to give and leave something for the next generation and make the world a better place. Again, I hope everybody's portfolios go up and to the right today, that we're able to print on any options that we have, and we continue to stay long and strong in the market. We are optimistic that the rest of this year will be very strong. We may see some volatility, obviously, with the holidays. However, the Santa rally is coming. We look forward to that, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video.